Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most budget-friendly and surprisingly powerful laptops of 2025, the Intel N97 15.6-inch Windows laptop. If you're a student, remote worker, or someone looking for a solid everyday notebook without breaking the bank, this one might just be for you. Let's start with the specs. Under the hood, it's powered by an Intel N97 quad-core processor, paired with a generous 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a super-fast 512GB SSD, giving you smooth multitasking, quick boot times, and plenty of space for your files, apps, and media. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD display, which offers clear visuals for studying, streaming, or working. Whether you're attending online classes or binge-watching Netflix, the screen doesn't disappoint. On the keyboard side, it includes a dedicated numeric keypad, perfect for students, data entry tasks, or anyone who works with spreadsheets. In terms of connectivity, it checks all the boxes. USB 3.2, Type-C port, HDMI output, Wi-Fi 5, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a built-in webcam, ideal for Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet. The laptop runs Windows 11 Pro, giving you advanced features for productivity, security, and compatibility with the latest software. What makes this model really stand out is the balance between performance, design, and price. It's lightweight, slim, and easy to carry, great for students or professionals on the go. In this video, we'll unbox it, test real-world performance, check boot speed, multitasking, and maybe even some light gaming. So stick around. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and budget-friendly laptops. Let's dive in.